Namaskar friends, I from Dogra welcome you all and hope you and your family are safe and doing very well. Now friends, you know that there is very much focus on renewable sources of energy, mostly solar. Like every country is switching towards solar for their electrical needs. So as there is very much focus on renewable sources of energy and solar, there are many technology changes are happening, many researches are happening. So today we'll discuss
one of the latest type of solar panels. These are bifacial solar panels.
Bifacial solar panels are those panels which generate electricity from both the sides, from upper and back side both.
Now here is a picture showing how these bifacial solar panels work. Now the sunlight which will hit directly on the upper surface of the panels will generate electricity. This is the basic case with all the panels. Now what is interesting in these panels is the sunlight which will hit the ground and reflected back from the surface will get converted into electricity by the back side of the panels. Now talking about the features of bifacial solar panels, bifacial solar panels are designed with solar cells on both the sides and these remains protected with glass. Mostly all the bifacial solar panels uses monocrystalline solar cells. In order to get maximum efficiency and lower down the shadow effect on these panels, so bifacial solar panels have a smaller junction box in comparison to other types of solar panels. Bifacial solar panels are generally slim, or we can say thinner than other types of solar panels, and bifacial solar panels are generally frameless. Bifacial solar panels can be 30% more efficient than other types of solar panels. Now here are some points we should know in order to get maximum efficiency out of them. So the first point is the space between the solar panels and the bottom surface should be more in order to get maximum reflected light. So we cannot install these panels in tin shed or rooftops where space between the panel and the roof surface is very low. Second point to keep in mind is that the light color surface reflect more light, like silver color, white color or snow have more reflecting property, or we can say more albedo in comparison to soil and grass. Colored surfaces reflect approx 80% of light. Now friends, can you tell me which position or which orientation of these panels will get the maximum light? Obviously, more vertical the bifacial panels are tilted, the more light will reach the back side. Friends, if these panels are arranged in a row or column, then the side panels will get more reflected light than the center ones. Now let us see summary of bifacial solar panels, that what are its benefits, what are its limitations and applications. So the most important benefit is that these panels deliver 30% more solar power compared to their conventional solar panels like monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels. Bifacial solar panels are more efficient. And friends, bifacial solar panels are more useful where you have a smaller area or you have a low space and you require high power for your connected loads. These panels are productive in cloudy days also. Like other panels, monocrystalline and polycrystalline panels, these panels cannot be used in cloudy days or they will have less efficiency, but bifacial solar panels will have higher efficiency in cloudy days also. Now talking about the limitations of bifacial solar panels, bifacial solar panels are slightly higher in price than other types of solar panels. Bifacial solar panels cannot be used much in a residential purpose because the space between the panels and the surface will be low in tin shed and RCC rooftops. So bifacial solar panels work best in ground mounted solar plants or in commercial properties. Mostly utilities are using these bifacial solar panels for more efficient energy generation. Other than this, bifacial solar panels give higher efficiency and look beautiful when used in pergolas, awning and balconies.
So friends, I hope you learned something about bifacial solar panels, and if you have any queries, any suggestions or any questions, please do comment below. And finally, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching.